Popular dancehall entertainer Moses Davis, stage name Beenie Man, was involved in a serious bike accident and is now at the verge of losing his foot. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. So most people might be unaware that dancehall entertainer Beenie Man was involved in a bike accident some time ago, and this has been causing some real serious issues for him as he has cancelled a number of his shows. The news falls on the heels of a number of upcoming gigs for Beenie Man as he was getting ready to thrill his fans right across the world during the Christmas period. So in a social media post, dancehall superstar Beenie Man has cancelled all his upcoming events after he was advised by his doctor that he is at risk of losing his foot, which was injured last month. In November, the artist reportedly injured his ankle when a taxi collided with a bike he was riding in the corporate area. According to a source, the DJ was briefly hospitalized and then released. In a video posted to social media on Saturday, Beenie Man's doctor explained that the extent of the artist's injuries are what could happen if he does not give the foot the time to heal properly, according to the orthopedic surgeon. In a video posted to social media on Saturday, Beenie Man's orthopedic surgeon explained to the extent of the artist's injuries and what could happen if he does not give the foot the time needed to heal properly. He has an injury to the right ankle and it is recommended that he stay at home and elevate the foot because there is a possibility of him losing the foot based on amputation. It is very high. So the doctor recommends that he does not travel very long distances, worse on an aircraft, in order to perform for his fans based on the injuries that he sustained in a bike accident. Beenie Man also took the time on social media to apologize to his fans for the many cancellations during the Christmas period. The Dr. Beenie Man made a post on his social media and this was what it said. I met in a minor accident about a month now, and since then I've been consistently been working, ignoring the small cut, thinking it will heal. I was wrong. It has become worse. My doctor has recommended that I do not travel or work. As such, all the shows that I'm currently booked for, I won't be in attendance. People, you don't know how my thing go. Me show up for my fans them, but I can't afford to lose my foot. I see you soon. Blessing on the holiday, the Beenie Man wrote. So some of the individuals took to social media, including Damage Music as well, to wish Beenie Man a speedy recovery. And also Gramps Morgan says, prior to Doc, we need you dancing in many years to come. In the future, take your time and heal, my brother. Gramps Morgan posted on his social media account. So many fans right now are very concerned about the health and well-being of the Dr. Beenie Man. As you know, as said by the doctor, he had a number of shows which are currently being cancelled based on the extent of the injury and him losing his foot. The doctor recommended that he stay at home. This was what the doctor had to say in a post made on Beenie Man's social media account.
So I'm Dr. Amarali, Mr. Moses' doctor. I'm his orthopedic surgeon. He has an injury to the right ankle and it is recommended that he stays at home, elevate the foot, because if not, the potential of him losing the foot, possibly an amputation, is very high. So I recommend that he does not travel, not any long distances, and worse, by aircraft. So I would recommend that he does not show up for his
Grenada show.
For the Grenada show.
Yeah.
Thank you for understanding.
Blessings. Thank you very much. And people, it's no joke. I got a sprain and a cut and I took it for joke. And I went to England and I went to Israel and I made it worse. So in order for my foot to get better, I have to rest. So
he can come out another day.
Yes.
And play.
Big apology to all my fans and well wishers, to all the promoters. This is circumstances beyond my control. I don't want to lose the foot, I'd rather keep it. So thank you, Doc.
Yeah.
And thank you for understanding. Blessings.
So that was Beenie Man's orthopedic doctor providing fans with an update as it relates to the health and well-being of Beenie Man. So we here at Links 007 TV as well just want to take this opportunity just to wish Beenie Man a speedy recovery, because many people did not actually heard about the actual accident itself, and some people were actually wondering what happened to Beenie Man when they saw him in a wheelchair at one point in time. But as stated by the orthopedic surgeon, that Beenie Man need to take some time off in order to rest and heal properly. As you know, Beenie Man had a number of shows planned out over the Christmas period, leading into the new year, which would have put a whole lot of stress on his physical appearance and also his physical performance at most of these gigs as well. But all I can say is that we just hope that he made a full and speedy recovery so that he can be back on stage and giving us 100%. As you know, Beenie Man is one of our top premier dancehall entertainer who have broken many barriers within the dancehall space and still continues to be a dominant figure on the local and international market of dancehall music. So Beenie Man, all the best, and we just want to take this opportunity once more just to wish you a speedy recovery. And I know that many of the fans right now, right across the world, they are very disappointed based on this news, as many people would have planned various events throughout the period in order to engage Beenie Man on set and also on stage, and also fans as well. So this came as a shock to many who would have anticipated Beenie Man on stage during the Christmas period. But as said in the video, Beenie Man is not doing well and his health come first. So it's best that he take the time off to actually heal properly, and then he can be back on stage giving his fans right around the world 100%. As you know, Beenie Man normally delivers. Beenie Man is an artist that moves around. He's a dancer, and Beenie Man have to be in that physical frame of mind and that physical well-being in order to perform properly. And the entertainers are just hoping though that the recovery process such as not take that long. It doesn't make sense that the fans right now are anticipating Beenie Man to be back on stage in that physical during his many performances that were scheduled and now have to be rescheduled and then for a later date. So the fans right now are very concerned, and also his friends right now in the musical space itself, and they're just hoping that he does make a full and speedy recovery in the shortest possible time. This is where though I believe I'm gonna leave this report though. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember to do the golden rule. Subscribe to the channel. And we here at Links 007 TV as well just want to take this opportunity just to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a safe one. And we hope that the year 2023, when it comes, will bring you good luck, prosperity, love, and happiness from Links 007 TV. So this is where we're signing out for this report though. Thanks for watching once more. Peace out, bless, and enjoy your Christmas period, and be safe while doing so. I'm out for now. Bless.